So I came across this list of vehicles to avoid at all costs. They're used ones, and there's some doozies out there. Let's get started. 2005 Ford Explorer. At first glance, it may appear to be a reliable SUV, but remember 2005? Given its features such as a 4-liter V6 engine capable of producing 210 horsepower, that was probably a lot back then, a top speed of 112, and a nice cabin, however, it has a well-documented history of transmission failures. We know that now, and replacing a transmission can cost more than the vehicle's value these days, making this impractical. There are several other used vehicles and models worth exploring. For example, the Honda Pilot has a more dependable V6 and spacious interior and is known for its reliability and good resale value. But avoid that 2005 Ford Explorer. The 2002 Ford Explorer should also be in the list. Yep, 4-liter V6 engine, but it's hiding something severe. Yep, transmission issues which can break down early and cost a lot to fix. If you have one of those around, I'm surprised, but if you see one for sale, just keep shopping. This engine has had its share of issues like chain problems and cylinder head gasket leaks. Ouch! Might want to consider a Toyota Highlander. It is well praised for its durability, low maintenance costs, and excellent resale value. Honda is not without sin. The 2003 Honda Accord made the list. Featuring a reliable engine of around 160 horsepower, it might catch your eye because of performance and versatility. However, there have been frequent complaints about transmission. Another concern is the engine's tendency to burn oil excessively. It is 20 years old, by the way, potentially leading to severe damage if not addressed properly. While the Accord is generally dependable, at least newer ones are, these issues can significantly impact your savings if you think you are saving money on a 2003. Wise to consider checking recall histories before buying one of these Accords. Something more recent, a 2013, somewhat recent, Nissan Altima, known for its sleek design, comfortable ride, packs a punch with a 182 horsepower engine. While it might seem like a reliable choice, there are some concerns to be aware of. Many owners have reported issues with the CVT, which can lead to costly repairs or replacements, especially that old of a vehicle. Some Altima models have also experienced premature brake wear, affecting safety and maintenance costs. Despite these drawbacks, the Altima does offer good fuel economy, efficiency. However, before buying, it's essential to consider these potential issues to estimate your overall ownership and long-term cost. I was surprised to see the 2019 RAV4 on here. It has an engine that delivers around 203 horsepower. However, some owners, now these are owners talking now, have experienced issues with the engine. I don't know if this is a big deal or not, but being noisy and being a gas guzzler. 2019, the newer ones are better. Other people have reported problems with the transmission, exterior and interior accessories, brakes, drivetrain, body paint, and the air conditioning and heater. That's a lot of stuff. While these complaints represent a fraction of the total number of RVs on the road, you should still be aware of these potential issues and conduct your thorough research before making a purchase on a 2019 RAV4. Not surprised to see a Jeep Grand Cherokee on the list. 2011, also known for its rugged design and powerful 290 horsepower engine, has some significant issues. Many complaints around transmission and engines have been filed that affect its reliability. Also, concerns involve brakes, electrical systems, and suspensions. While the Grand Cherokee excels in off-road capabilities, these documented issues make potential buying a concern. So consider these problems before making a purchase of a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. 2012 Volkswagen Jetta boasts efficient engines delivering up to 200 horsepower and exceeding the top speed of 120. Don't go that fast. This car is appreciated for being roomy and fuel efficient, but it has some limitations. Owners have reported transmission failures of 2012, rough shifting, complete gearbox failure. Faulty brake systems have also been a concern, compromising your safety. While the 2012 excels in being comfortable and having good fuel economy, its mechanical issues, particularly with the transmission and braking system, have led to dissatisfied owners. So watch out before opting for a 2012 Jetta. Even though it's a 2001 model, avoid the Subaru Forester at all costs. Despite its reputation for reliability, some issues have been reported by owners, and common concerns include head gasket leaks, which could lead to engine overheating and costly repairs. Also, the suspension components of the Forester may wear out prematurely impacting your ride quality and handling. It can lead to less comfortable driving experiences and potential safety risks. In the meantime, if and when you are in the market for a new vehicle, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's my go-to for insider access to dealer pricing, the best prices and lowest prices in your area from qualified dealerships. Make, model, zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it really helps support this channel. See you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.